Right, here we are. Welcome to the price of patience.
Good morning and welcome back, everyone. Um, okay, how are we doing today? It's a new week.
Here we are. Welcome to the price of patience.
Good morning and welcome
Uh,
back.
if you're joining us for the first time, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like the stream so that we can get this in the algorithm. Tonight, we're going to be sharing a little bit about our trading plan for
Mm,
this session. We're going to be going from 12 to 2 a.m., maybe a little bit later, and that's Eastern time. For everyone else around the world, just calibrate that to your time zone. That's Eastern Standard Time -5 GMT. Yeah. Um, right now it's about 12 a.m. for us here. All right. And the market
or
is
6 in the morning here.
right 6 in the morning in Croatia.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Yeah. I'm seeing the market trending up right now. Are you ready to go over your kind of what you got going on for this? Or you want me to go first?
Not give me just one more second, please. I'm trying to connect this thing.
All right, cool. While you do that,
Excuse me.
let me move this here to my screen there. Okay, so my screen will be the primary screen that we're checking out now. And I'll show
Mm-hmm.
a nice audience what I'm seeing right now. So, two things. I'm trading a 25K account today from Apex. So, thank Apex for those 5 pack of accounts that they're doing.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Pretty
Good.
cool.
It's a good deal.
It's a good deal. I like it. I thought it was interesting. Apex actually has, the 25K account with end of day trailing drawdown.
Mm-hmm.
But what's weird about it for me is that they let you trade 4 minis on
Yeah,
the account.
they definitely allow you over trading,
Yeah,
oversizing, over positioning. Yep.
Jesus, four contracts? Like,
Yeah,
gee,
yeah. That's a little bit too
that's
much, in my
outrageous.
opinion, too. Yep.
Because the drawdown on this account is 1,000. So
Yeah, but be careful. You have 500 daily
daily,
limit. Yeah.
daily limit. Yeah, yeah. I found that out the hard way. So
Yeah, but it's not a bad thing. It's not a bad thing at all.
not at all. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Um, so yeah, so just getting into my trading plan here. I had to zoom out. So let's go to my challenge account. If you're a trader and you're just starting, or you're a trader and you're experienced, and you want to kind of paper trade with an incentive, I highly recommend you join the CME Group's monthly trading challenge. Right now, they have a trading challenge for the month of June, where I think the top prize is $1,500 for the best trader. They also have a daily prize. I think it's
Mm-hmm.
$500 or more for whoever has the most P&L for the day. I'm nowhere near the top. I think I'm in 487th place right now. Um, but there's thousands of people in it. So right
So that's not that
now,
bad.
it's not bad at all for out of thousands of people, but only the top 25 people, I believe, or I'm misquoting the rules. We'll go over it later, but right now I think the top 20 people are actually getting some sort of prize. Uh,
Okay. Okay.
right. So, but yeah, so here's what I'm seeing here. Based on, I think the first place on this thing has, can I see the leaderboard really quick? Let's take a look. The commentary, trade plan, trade log, education. I know the leaderboard is around here somewhere. Right? Did they move something around about legal cookies? Uh, give me a sec, because I swear there's a leaderboard. And on that leaderboard, you can kind of see, okay, wait, is this a challenge account? No, 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 no. Yeah, because I'm not really worried about this trade. I don't even, I'm going to put a stop loss in, but I don't have a stop loss right now. So let's
Okay.
look. Okay, so here's the leaderboard. Um, I'm Black Privilege on the leaderboard. If you're ever looking to find me on any leaderboard, my trading name is Black Privilege. Um, so here we go. First place has $43,000 in 24 hours.
Oh
And
wow. And what is the account? 50 or 100?
it's 25K account.
Bro.
Yeah. That's worse than the other challenge. What was that? Uh,
The Tradify Cup, no?
Tradeify. Yeah, Tradeify. They were up maybe I don't know 10,000 on day one, which was crazy.
No,
But
yeah, 17. 17. There were
seven-
17.
17 on day one. Okay,
On on a 50K.
on a 50K, and this is
So
a
50%,
25.
50 something, no, less than 50%. And those guys are more. Okay.
Yeah, they were long in silver on this, but you can actually see what I like about this. You can see what people are trading
Okay.
and how
Sure.
many trades they've taken. So I I wonder. I think bots are allowed. I'm pretty sure they are because this guy, the navigator in second place, has taken 634 trades.
Hmm. Mm-hmm.
That sounds like a bot, you know. Um,
Mm-hmm.
I've taken 13 trades, and
Mm-hmm.
this guy who took seven trades is up in seventh place with 11,000 in profit. So kudos to him. Yeah, but
Are you are you limited by size?
you cannot trade more than one mini.
Oh, oh wow.
I have no idea how that's possible. What they're doing. I can't even trade one mini. Actually, I tried to put in 10 contracts and it wouldn't let me. So I don't know what's going on. How you would possibly get $15,000 in a day, but Um, I'd love to find out. Like, I'd love for them to interview the people who win these competitions and just like, can we
That would
review
be
their grades?
that would be mm,
That'd be epic. Yeah. So let's get back to it. So anyway, let's talk about my trade plan here. I'm gonna go to my challenges. All right, and basically you make an account at CME and you go to your challenges, you sign up for an account, and then it lets you, go into the challenge for that month. It's already started, so you'd be a day behind if you want to start now, but you can. Right now, here's what I'm seeing. Let's let this thing load. Basically, I think, okay, so my prediction earlier was that we were going to reach, we're forming an inverse head and shoulders at this point. And it's playing out. When I entered this trade to begin with, I kind of saw this coming, which is why I'm in this trade. There we go. All right. So, yeah, I got in here because I had a trend line, and I guess they erased my drawing, but I had a trend line here that went from, okay, right up here. I guess we were just going to draw it from here to there. Okay. So, first, I was short because we were touching this trend line. And I thought, hey, this is the top. We're going to continue and make a lower low from here. The risk to reward is gorgeous. As soon as I stopped out of that, I saw, hey, we are now, since we've broken a trend line, for me, in my trading experience, anytime a trend line is broken, that's a reversal signal for me. So as soon as I was stopped out of that trade, I entered into a long. And I've been in that long ever since for a little over an hour and a half. I see this going first to 29,725. So we're looking at about another 120 points from here. Okay, a little less than that now. It's going fast too. So I think that's going to happen. We're about to hit some consolidation, but I'm pretty sure that's what's next. My ultimate target, I think by New York Open, we're probably going to be flirting with the 30,000 level. So this is an overnight pump. I don't really know if there's a news catalyst because I haven't been watching the news. So if anyone's in the comments and you want to talk about why the market's going up, go for it. But I'm just going off the technical analysis here, and I see a reversal. So my target for this trade, I'm going to probably exit right in the middle of this consolidation. So we're looking at 29,812. I'm just going to say 29,810 to be safe. All right, and I'm gonna put a sell order here. for three contracts. At some point, I may add to this trade if I get confidence that we're breaking out and above the right shoulder. So that'll be that. All right, and that's what I got going on. You got anything to add, bro? All right, I don't. I think Nick may have left to get some coffee or something, but that's what we're dealing with right now.
My bad, I'm muted. I'm speaking with myself. My bad, guys. My bad, my bad. I don't even know how, but okay. Anyway, I like what you just said because last week I said we have 30K support, then we have 29,800 as a support. That was previous week point of control and value area low. This week, those are like 2 weeks ago, right? Previous week is a little bit higher, but yeah, I'm curious to see what happens after this huge drop that we had, and even if we come back to retest the 30K level, I think that will be actually the beginning of a massive blade that we had on Friday. Um, And I was proud of myself on Friday because I made my target and I just walked away from the charts, and then we had another like 1,000 points drop, and I was like, okay. But for the first time I did not feel FOMO. So crazy, crazy drop. Unpredictable. I don't know. How could we have catch that? There was no way.
Order filled.
But massive, massive mm, red day. Um What I'm looking, well, I'm looking these highs that we made overnight, my overnight, or that was yesterday actually, during the New York Open. Um, and then, yeah, around 30K, we have also a 90-minute fair value gap there. It's even on 1 hour.
Oh, you know what? Let me since you're in there, let me go ahead and put your screen on. There you go. You are the main screen showing.
Okay. So I'm looking here, we have this fair value gap. And again, I'm not a big fair value gap trader, but when they are in nice confluence, why not? Why not pay attention? So we have this 2 weeks ago point of control here at around 30K, and we have this value area, and it's interesting here. I have mark zone like between 29,763 and 743. Those were the lows that we had previously. With the nice confluence with the value area low of that same week, 2 weeks ago. And yesterday, it's very funny because we just tapped the zone, literally just tapped it and rejected from here. So I would expect another resistance here. But if we reclaim that, then we might retest the 30K level. What's your opinion? This was just a flush and we are going back higher, or is there are there chances that we are coming a little bit lower?
For me, my bear case is it's not really a bear case.
Mm-hmm.
So in my experience with trading, I see that when we break a trend line, we usually come back and we just test that trend line. Like price is going to
Mm-hmm.
ask for permission to say, like right now, we're about to do some consolidation on, from what I'm seeing is an inverse head and shoulders right around this area. So I'm actually tempted to take some gains right here. I'm going to take a couple contracts off the table um, because I'm pretty confident we are going to pull back a little. But I think what we're just going to do is come back and test that trend line. I can tell you the level that I think we're gonna touch, and it's really contingent upon on what time frame the trend line wants to respect. If my theory is correct, what time frame it's going to be respected on.
Hmm. And
She,
because looking, I was just checking the 4 hours, and it looks like it's in some kind of a flag. Um, but we are still resisting the 14 SMA. So on
okay,
4 hours.
let me zoom out a little bit.
Um,
Got
but
going on.
they are
Okay.
starting, the EMA and SMA are starting to curve up. So on
Hmm.
2 hours, we already reclaimed and retested the 14 and they curved up. So I think we have 1 hour right now is bouncing again, but 1 hour the EMAs are already a little bit mixed up. So let's
Okay.
see,
Yeah, I could
30
see it.
minutes.
Okay, so there's a level here. Worst case scenario, in my opinion, I see us coming to 29,395, which is
Okay, just a pullback here locally, and we can go.
yeah. I'm gonna put a horizontal line here. Um, But yeah, I see some consolidation on the left side of like the run up on the 4 hour that has confluence with that area. I just like to think like, hey, if there's gonna be,
Mhm.
a pullback, where's the liquidity at? And if I'm a buyer, that's where I would want to go long on a pullback. If I believed in the uptrend, and right now I do. So I still
So
have
you're a
one.
believer, huh?
I'm a believer. I'm a believer. Yeah. I see this going back to 30K by the morning. So I just want
Mm,
exposure to it. I have exposure to it in my options portfolio, but I want exposure to it in my
everywhere.
futures. Yeah, everywhere. As many places possible.
Okay, okay. Sounds good. Okay, I will adjust this volume profile that I set for the previous week to this downtrend that we had, a down move. Uh, Again, it doesn't tell me a lot. There's,
Mm,
this 30K will be a nice resistance, probably. We'll have to see what will happen there. Actually, between 29.8 and 30K, have some bigger volume zone around here. Let's see like this, yeah. But very thin profile, so balanced. So I guess we can feel it very easily. We can come up above 30K quite easily, in my opinion.
yeah.
Mm,
Yeah, I think that's where we're headed. It's all about where do you want to enter and how can you get the best risk reward. And I think I already got it because I got in right at the trend line. So I really don't see this going back to break even. But even when I look at the lower time frames and I'm looking at the 460 level I was just talking about, it's really I don't know if the bottom of the Bollinger Bands gets above that level, then I would forget about that even being possible, to be honest. So 'cause it's the uptrend at this point, as far as I'm concerned.
yeah.
Like even on the well, so in order for it to turn into a real uptrend on the 4 hour, we really needed to cross 30,260 roughly. And if it does that, it needs to make a slightly higher high above that. So I'd argue 30,400, which is weird because we don't really have a catalyst, or anything that I know of. So that's asking for a lot. But um, okay, I just saw a bug and I haven't seen a bug like that in a while.
You're talking about a real bug.
A real bug.
Okay.
It's an actual bug. In America, we got these things called stink bugs, and if you kill them, then more come. And I haven't seen
Ah,
one of
yeah,
these
yeah,
things
yeah.
in a long time. Yeah, but anyway, that's the TA right now. I'm waiting for a pullback so I can go long on another account. I'm done trading the account that I got in with for the beginning of the move up, and
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna trade a different account and try and just catch a I guess just like a $500 profit.
Yeah, that's my target, around 400 on the
Hmm.
on for the funded account
Hmm.
at least.
That's a nice pullback. That's a nice pullback. Uh,
Yeah.
yeah, my normal strategy with the 9 EMA, the 14 EMA, I don't know
It's a
if
little
that's
bit. I
really
think
gonna.
you have to wait for a cleaner move,
Yeah, yeah,
like for a nice push up and then retest. So maybe for
right.
the New York session, you might get a setup or something like that. Or if we go on bigger time frames, maybe tomorrow's session will be perfect exit, perfect entry.
Yeah.
If you look at the 1 hour, 2 hours, 4 hours, because last time when we had the 4 hour 14 SMA, bro, we had a massive move when we had the first touch.
Mm.
When we were on the Zoom and we entered, I mean, we were live here and we
Hmm.
entered and I took the gains, I closed the position, but the trade kept running the whole day.
Hmm.
So for next whatever 10 hours, price kept going higher.
4 hour first touches are brutal.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm considering long here maybe, but I want to see. Price action is quite slow, so this will be one of those sessions when you just have to find a nice entry, execute, and wait. And we actually, in 2 minutes, I have some resistance here. Um, Mark that. Okay. Yes. Okay. I think we'll push through.
Yeah.
I'm
Oh,
long. I'm long.
yeah. So much for a pullback. I think it's pushing.
Yeah, that was a pullback. 2 minute 9 EMA retest. 1 minute also retested the 14, so just a small uptrend pullback.
Very bullish. Anytime that we're bouncing off the 2 or 3 minute 9 EMA, it's a good sign
Yeah.
for the bulls anyway. I'm gonna try something here. Pull back a little bit more for me. Come on, NQ. There you go. A little bit more. A little bit more. A little bit more. No.
Well, this is my
Here
first
we
trade of the day,
Order filled.
so I went with 5 contracts. I'm covering the last low that we made right now, and I'm aiming for 71300. Well, a little bit less than 100 points. That's I will probably TP earlier,
Stop filled. Stop filled.
but let's see.
Let's see. Yeah, this sheesh.
Order filled.
Yeah, Q
Order
was in
filled.
pullback mode.
Yeah, and I don't want to go already with those 5 seconds time frame because it's quite slow, but we actually made a double top, so we
Order
might see a
filled.
little bit deeper pullback here. Even on 1 minute, we came up to the highs, but we did not go
Order
above.
filled.
So let's see. And I'm not touching anything. Whatever happens, happens.
And we'll have to see. We gonna have to see, cause
And we have a 5 minute candle without a upper wick at 29,724. So We might be on our way to fix that too.
What level?
29,724. If you look a little bit left at the top, there is one 5 minute candle
So
without an upper wick.
29.
724, 50, 25, something like that.
Oh, that's up there. Yeah, this is when I
Okay.
look left though, I see a bunch of consolidation, so I'm
Yeah,
counting.
I'm stopped out.
Okay, cool. We're almost at the 5 minute nine.
Mm-hmm.
I'm
Yep.
expecting a reaction off of that, so I will. I'm gonna size up, and this isn't an account that I like to scalp in, so I'm gonna
Order
scalp
filled.
here. I'm just scalping the 8 ticks. It's like my old man strategy.
Mm-hmm.
Order filled.
Sounds good.
Yeah, it's like a quick $70 a trade. Nothing too crazy. But I like to get in anywhere where I think there would be a solid reaction. Um, the 9 EMA would be nice.
Let me just touch. I will give it another go here, and then risk management is tight, so that's good. Um, but if I'm honest, I'm not even expecting too much from this trade because I'm entering at the local top. So let's see.
Damn, feel good. I got this hot
Oh,
tea.
I'm sorry, this was a 3 minute 9 EMA, not a 5 minute. My bad. I
Yeah, I'm
entered
still
too early.
waiting on the touch of the five,
I
but
I
it's
entered too early.
it's leaving me behind,
Uh,
bro. It's too bullish. But it's good though, because if it's bouncing off the 3 minute, then we're very bullish. Like it's probably not a time to scalp. It's a trending market now, so it's a time to. Oh wow,
exactly, yeah. That's why I
that
say
was
I
a nice
went too
drop.
early.
That was a nice drop right there. Okay, a little more, a little more, a little more. I really want to go long here. It's too late. That was a great entry. That was a great entry. The 5 minute EMA moved up a little and it's
Mm.
almost there. I'm pretty sure it wants to come touch it.
While my stop loss is exactly at the 9 EMA. I don't know if I should re-enter if I get stopped again or just move my stop loss a little bit lower.
Well, if you survive 5 more minutes, that 9 EMA is gonna move a little bit. So
True.
and I think you will. I don't know. If this one comes and touches the five, I'll be wicked in, but I'm not really worried if it doesn't.
True.
We're in a consolidation pattern right now that gives me confidence that we're going to be going sideways for a little while.
Yeah.
A little more, little more. All right, it's actually not a little. It's a pretty decent amount more.
Um, there we are, approaching the 9 EMA.
Close. Better scout this a couple times at this point. Jeez. All right. I just talked myself into scalping because
Yeah, I think this is a little bit too slow for me.
yeah, exactly. It's
For
not.
for my type of scalping.
Hmm. Okay, I think we're coming lower.
Mm.
Order filled.
And then again, if you look at the 10 minutes, no, I'm sorry, 5. Wait, 5? No, 10. The last previous 10-minute candle has no upper wick or it's very minimal, so I guess we
Stop
might come
filled.
back higher. Just the question is from where. And we literally just tapped the 9 EMA on 5 and we are having some kind of a tiny bounce here.
Yeah, yeah. Is it done pulling back? No, I'm watching it. Let me check the comments, see if we got anything going on in the chat.
We don't, but we
Nothing
have some
right
people watching, so wherever you are from, welcome.
Okay, that was a nice push. All right, I'm gonna share my screen for a sec.
Yeah, go for it.
Switching it up. I have like the 1990s setup. This thing looks like Windows 95. Yes, welcome to my basic trading setup. Competition account is still up 180 bucks in this long. Nothing to write home about, but I did move up from the low 400s to the higher 400s places. So I'm 430th place now. I'll get excited when I get in the top 100. Okay, this thing is pushing now. But where will we start to pull back again is the question. I would be willing to bet right about here. I'm
Order
gonna go
filled.
short here. I could be I could be standing in front of a train.
That's not too smart.
Not
Order
too
filled.
smart. Not too smart.
Order
What,
filled.
you're trying to short now or what?
Yeah, I just shorted 8. You know, my scalping strategy. I'm only looking for 8 ticks, 2 points.
Okay.
So
You're
I
getting that.
I already got it. I already got it.
Nice.
In and out. So I just
Nice.
do honestly with this strategy, I just look for places that have enough resistance to make price like just slightly reject, and the rejection is my take profit. And then rinse and repeat. Just be very careful. If I wanted to do anything reckless, I would say 3 contracts, 30 contracts on micros.
Mm.
That'd be $120 for 8 ticks, but the drawdown can be crazy.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, but okay, we hit the top of the range. Now just got to be patient, see if we can touch the bottom of the range. Now, in the 30-minute, there's a ton of consolidation, but no one said that on the way back up, we have to consolidate as much as we did
Exactly.
on the way
If we
down.
if we push through, we are going.
Mhm. Yeah, so since I have a long bias, I would love to go long at the bottom of the range. On the 30-minute, it looks like 29,556. So I would
I
love to
added
put a
here. I
long
like the
bias.
30 seconds I added, and I'm ready to scalp it out.
Okay.
So now I need just whatever
Also,
it gives me, but I would like another at least 10 points from here, maybe a bit more.
10
Now,
point.
because if we break through these highs right here, I think we are about to see some kind of a push up. Nothing crazy considering the price, like the speed of the price action. But here we go.
Yeah, a little squeeze.
Nice.
Give us a little squeeze.
There we go.
What are you're targeting, like 32?
And this, yeah, I'm just monitoring. I have my first TP at 54, so a little bit higher than that, but 615, 628, that's, where is it? That's 15, 45. I could start taking profit at 40, let's say. That would be perfect.
Okay, if I were gonna retest this breakout, I would come to 612. So I like I'm gonna put a limit order in at about 612. Let me be great. It's not trying to let me be great. All right, here we go.
Okay. I missed my scalping TP. Think I should close this now, take what I have left. No? Okay, let's stay patient. Stay patient. Now, if I see a little more up, okay, I'm putting my first stop loss slightly in profit just to be risk free.
Risk free is always good.
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna switch back to your screen here. Got anything going on? Oh,
You know what? This is very slow. I'm gonna take my TP here. There we go. Stop sell. I have to stop this here. Okay. Now it would be nice if we continue going.
yeah, I don't know what it's doing, but I know it's going to the right.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Um, yeah, this was a good, I think, good scalp. Probably could have taken more out. Let's see. But the EMAs are holding on these big, smaller time frames. So let's see. But I'm ready to take more profits. Maybe even, oh,
You
no.
got a warning star on the 5 minute, a pretty clean one, so
Yeah,
it's a good sign. But
I took a little bit more out.
27, it's about to break through, bro. I think you might get that squeeze.
Now I can do it with 10 contracts. As I went in with 5, I added 15. I scalped half. I guess I made like $200. Count summary total. Well, a little bit less because I had this first loser. I made that back. I secured that loss back, so also not a bad thing.
All right, I'm in 422nd place. Wasn't that where I was before? I don't know if I even moved up. Yeah, I thought I was in 430. Somebody's losing money right now in this scalping in
Hmm.
this consolidation.
No, I'm not surprised. Okay, I got stopped out. My first TP, my first stop loss in the profit got hit. Now I have another one very tight here. So let's see. I'm back to 5 contracts, and my what PNL is 45 unrealized, total 34. Okay, so I have like $90 secured. That's okay.
We can get back to 12. It'll wick me in.
I would go back into then, yeah.
Yeah, 12 is a good entry. I'll take it. I'll take it if I can get it. Not really looking for an aggressive entry right now.
Okay, I'm out.
I'm gonna look at the Dow Jones after this.
90
Okay, it's
bucks.
coming. It's coming to my 12. I just want the 12 and the bounce from there.
But we are getting, look at the 5 minutes. The touches on 9 EMA are like closer and closer. So you might see actually a 14 test because we did not have it since
Yeah.
we broke out. That was basically a little bit after the markets opened.
Order filled.
And since then we haven't touched the 14 on 5 minutes. So the smaller time frames are curving to the downside somehow with uh, hmm, let's see.
Mm, I'm in a short right now.
Yeah, that's not a bad idea.
Just scalping a little bit, but it's
Mhm.
dodging my exit. Come on. One tick away, one tick away. Oh, that's because I forgot. I turned off my take profit. That's why. All right. Okay. Oh yeah. Oh yes.
Order
Lovely.
filled.
Okay. There we go.
I went in with you, short.
I'm already out.
So, no, nice.
I took $80 and skedaddled up out of there. I had 15 contracts for 2 points.
Yeah.
Nothing miraculous, just like I'm trying to anytime it's consolidation, I'm noticing from my strategy, it's better to just take a bunch of base hits and consolidation because you never know how low it's gonna go, how high it's gonna
Mm.
go.
Order filled.
But here we go. Okay. I'm wicked in at the 12,
Order
or
filled.
I guess it was 13. And boom, I'm out of that one too. So I just took
Oh,
another scalp.
wow. Okay, you're really scalping.
Yeah. 8 ticks, 15 contracts, 25K account. Um,
Well, okay, I'm out. Wow.
yeah, yeah. Like you said, we might come touch the 14. Let me look at the 15 minute to
Well,
see
it
what
might
it
just
has
push
to
from
say.
here too.
It looks like it wants to. I'm not gonna lie. That 12 was a good entry for an actual trade, not just a scalp.
Yeah.
But yeah, out of there, out of there. The 15.9 EMA is further down.
Mhm.
We're talking like 578. I don't know about that. It seems unlikely, but there is a cross section right above that, and it's around the 80 mark. You know how we feel about the 80 mark.
And you're actually bouncing from 20 now. Okay, we went lower, but it's 20.
Yeah,
Oh, wow.
we're between 80 and 20, and until we break above or below, I think that'll be the range. Okay, let me zoom in a little bit. Yeah, that might have been a good short target right there. I'm not even looking at the 200 seconds. So let me see what the 200 seconds doing. While we're sitting around, 4 hours, 3 minutes, 10 minutes, custom range seconds. Give me 200 seconds. So if you're watching and you don't know,
Absolutely. Okay, okay.
if you're watching out there and you don't know why we're checking out the 200 second, it's because one of the top traders in the world who trades futures, he actually pays attention to the 200 second and the 10 minute and uses that in his strategy. So it's something that I've started to incorporate a little bit.
Like the same correlation, like 15-minute candle and a 5-minute candle. So
Right. Because 200 seconds is one third of a 10-minute candle. So it works. There is a method to the madness. The repair
well,
strategy. It's like a 70% win rate on this strategy. So it's currently
not
nothing.
too bad, not too bad.
Not bad at all. I don't see anything that needs to be repaired on the 200 seconds. So there's nothing, there's really no targets for us right now. Let me zoom out. They turn on the data box because I'm not sure about this one. Did that get repaired? The low and the open are the same. Okay, I have one at 560.25. Yeah, 560.25. So that means we should see a pullback before the takeoff to 560.25. You know what? That's a good entry for a long.
560. Oh, okay. I like that. That's between 9 and 14 and 15 minutes.
Want to do the
Well,
five
I
below.
went in.
Are you going short?
I went short.
Yeah, looks good for shorts right now. Tempted as I may be, I have a bounce point coming up in the 590s if we can get there.
That would be a nice take profit too. So
Yeah. But yeah, that's a eight tick scalp area that I have. Let's see. Okay, we are touching the 14 EMA on the five. What is that on the five or the 15? I think that's the five. Oh, that's the 200 second. Uh, does price really care about the 200 seconds EMAs? It does.
yeah, maybe at the beginning of the move, but this is not the end of the move. So you should maybe check the 200 losing the EMA and then retesting it.
Good point. Yeah, you're right. It's respected it up until now, but now it's breaking it.
Uh,
So now my next target would be the 9 EMA on the 15. Um,
that's what 565 or something like that.
yeah, you're about right.
No, 577. Okay, my tip is in between the 9 and 14 and 15 minutes. So let's see.
There's also an area at and it's at 80. So watch out for 29,580 or 29,585 in particular.
Okay.
That's a bounce point. I don't know if it'll hold. We could break through it, push through pretty hard, but that is definitely area of interest. In fact, on this challenge account, I'm gonna add some contracts there. Five. Wait a minute. Okay, yeah. Five. What did I say? Let me go back. It's the 15 minute. Okay. Okay. 585.50. 585.50. All right. Let's do a buy limit. Five. 85. Okay. Oh.
Did you trade some options yesterday?
Traded one option. I traded SPX.
Oh, okay.
I was up $80 at one point, and then I was down 200 at one point. I ended up
Oh, okay.
taking took when I saw that, like, I started to take a long at the beginning of a consolidation area, and I was up, and then I saw it was consolidating, and I was down. So when it went back up, I got out. And
Uh-huh.
I got out for a small loss. I lost like $80. So my small account challenge that I started with $140, my account is at $650 now.
Nice.
I'm just being conservative with my risk. But if
That's good.
tonight plays out like we think, then yeah, everything I bought during the dip is gonna push my account to new heights tomorrow.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So how many contracts do I want to add if we can pull back here? Arguably one at a time. I'm gonna set a couple ones. Give me one there. And then another one. We can get down there. Oof. Honestly, I probably need to take profit and re-enter if that's the case. Right.
Okay, so 14 SMA seems like it's on 5. It's providing some kind of a support here. But this is too slow for me, so I'm mixed now. I want to FOMO out. Because the 5 seconds reclaim the EMA. So usually in a volatile market, like in a faster market, I would be probably out already right now. I'm not out, but I will put my stop loss a little bit in profit here. I don't want to. This is my funded
Order
account, so I
filled.
don't
Rejected.
even want to risk anything. Um,
Type of trade. I meant to scalp that and would have been up $60, but I did not scalp, and now I am up
uh,
$60.
Order
All right,
filled.
cool. I'll take it.
mhm.
Shit, that was close. I was scalping on the 1 minute. We just respected the 1 minute 9 EMA for a downtrend, but
Okay, okay.
I don't know how
That
long
yeah,
that's
that's
gonna
good.
hold.
Yeah, I think it might hold. I think it might, but it
Looks
might
like
not.
side.
No, I'm stopped. Wow. Okay.
Yeah, the RSI is trying to reset
Did
right
it
there.
even? Yeah. Okay. I made $7. I will see that as as
Order
not a
rejected.
loss, but I want to go in. Yeah. It seems.
Why did that just reject? Oh, I have too many. I have too many orders open. Okay, fuck that. Damn, that would have been a good trade. I could have left that. Could have left that in. I'd have been stopped out. That wick is crazy.
Yeah, we're going higher. I will stop this now. No. Okay.
And Q
Okay.
said, "Psych."
Zik Bazinga. Mm,
Yeah, 1 minute's got a clean downtrend, but it's just the 1 minute. So
yeah.
let me not even get hypnotized by that. Let me get
But
off.
the clear 1 minute downtrend can lead us to 5 or actually 15-minute 9 or 14 SMA. So, you know,
Exactly. Just want to make sure I'm keeping the big picture in mind. I like to stare at the 15 minute, if anything. Okay.
Okay.
What do we have there?
Okay.
Things are thinking.
Okay, nice stop loss to break even here.
Okay. Let me zoom in here. Okay. Let's go a little closer. A little bit closer. Okay, we're at the fifth. No, we're at the 5 minute 14. It's giving us a little resistance,
Yeah. Yeah.
and
There we
there's
go. Okay. Come on. TP1. Take it. No way. Again.
sheesh.
Come on. Low 604. Okay. 5 points. That was actually 5 points away from my TP. Just wicked. Come back down. Come back down.
See what she can do.
No, I was lying. This was 1 point from my TP.
Each.
1 freaking point from the TP1. Uh, there we go. There we go.
There we go. Almost at my place I want to add to this long at
No?
580.
Ah, this is edging me, bro. This is...
It's coming then.
Yeah, I'm just scalping, so I have to be very, very careful with my... where I'm gonna put my stop loss. That's the thing. And I just TP1. Just take TP1 here. Again. 3 ticks away. Come on.
It's about to jump down, but
Yeah, I think so too. That's why I don't want to take it manually.
yeah, yeah. Looking for an entry. If I see any sort of radical pullback or
Yeah,
to
look
the
again.
upside,
Again, this 1 point away from my TP, bro, is support. What the heck?
yeah, yeah.
Come
Here we
on. There we
here.
go. Okay, perfect.
Yep.
Perfect.
There's
And
the jump.
straight to my TP2. Let's go. Just dump it. Now my stop loss is in profit here a little bit, so whatever happens, I should be good with it. And what did I should have made like $100. Yeah, something like that. Let's see. Let's
You
see.
know, you want to switch to your screen.
Oh,
We've
well,
been on your screen.
we are on my screen, I
Yeah, yeah,
believe.
yeah. Good, good.
Can you please explain? I am Epic. Yeah, sure. What exactly? What exactly? Uh, Trading in general? What are we trading? Why are we trading it? Why did we go short? It would be easier to explain if we know what are you interested in. General, what are we trading? Why are we like go short? Would be easier to explain if yes, all that. All that. Oh, okay. Um, well, where do we begin then? Well, first of all, we are trading futures. We are trading NQ, so Nasdaq 100, US 100 tech stocks. I'm stopped out, by the way, so I'm out of the position. Um,
Looking for longs here, but I want it to come lower first.
Yeah.
Yeah, so
How
but
can you how can we explain all that from square one, right? From
I'm trying to see here. He said yes, all that.
yeah,
All right.
yeah.
Okay, I see you. I am epic. All right. Well, I think first and foremost, we're trading NQ on a funded account. Yeah, not a funded account, but an eval, right? So we're trying to get funded.
Yeah, well, I am on the funded account, but yeah.
All right. So I stand corrected. We're trading a funded account. I'm trading an eval. He's trading a funded account. Um, Number one. Number two, we have a profit target. A daily profit target and an overall profit target. And here's where I want to go short. I'm going short right here. If I get
Order
steamrolled, I get
filled.
steamrolled, but I'm going short right here. Okay, I got steamrolled.
Yeah, I mean, it seems like it's bouncing from the 14 SMA from the red line. Um, yeah, he got me with with this. So yes, all that. So I don't know from where to start. Like, um, yeah, well, if it's all that, then I guess we have
Order
to start
filled.
what is trading. But that's a little bit that's a little bit too much to explain, I guess, in a couple of minutes. So, um, well, I got the brain freeze. um,
Oh, it's a lot going on. We are
yeah.
back to the highs. Um, so yeah, we're just trying to explain why we're trading at the same time, but right now price is in consolidation. So I mean, starting at the end, we're looking for a push up, but we got to find an entry before we can get in because a lot of trading is about risk to reward. So you don't want to go long at the top
Is
of the
this
trend.
stock trading or options trading? This is futures trading. So it's not the stock or options, that's futures trading. Futures are uh,
They're a derivative of major indices,
yeah, yeah.
right?
And we are trading NQ, so Nasdaq. You have ES, that's S&P 500, and MQ
Order
is
filled.
US 100 tech stocks, and we are trading NQ at the moment. Um, Futures also you have like ES, as I just said, S&P. You can trade gold future, silver future, um, crude oil, and so on, like soybeans, cattle, a lot of different futures contracts to trade. Uh, I would say this is a little bit simpler than options because there is no theta, there's no delta, there's no strike price. So you can just go long. So you can buy here, for example. So buy low and sell high, you are making money, or you sell high and buy low, and again you make money. Just a moment. Okay, later. So yeah, in my opinion, this is a little bit simpler than options. Um,
Yeah, no Greek story about, no legs to worry about.
and there is not a lot of strategy with options. You can have. Thanks, you're welcome. With options, you can have a lot of different strategies. Here, you have to yeah. Again, you can have different strategies, but you can go only one direction. You can go up or you can go down, right? Um, You should definitely check futures trading if you're interested. We might actually do some beginner course um and put it out there for people who are new.
That's right. And if you like what you're hearing, don't be afraid to hit that like button. It really helps our channel grow. We're like a newer channel, so the more people that hit the like button, the more people that'll see the content. and subscribe because
Yeah,
we
again, yeah. And see, in my head, I was like, okay, we are streaming trading, so I guess people who know what we are doing will join. But but yeah, even if you have no idea what's going on, don't be afraid to ask. If we can answer, we are more than happy to. And really, if you're interested in something, we might do a video about it and post it so you can subscribe. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
thanks for subscribing for sure.
Um, yeah, you are very early into a channel that might grow nicely over time. So
Yeah. I mean, the thesis of the channel is we are traders from the Red E. My mentor, my first mentor in trading was Mark Rogers. He taught me a lot of the basics of trading, just starting from like support and resistance and, all the way up to indicators and all the different things that you can use to gain an edge in trading. And I like to think I'm pretty well versed. The community will definitely say so if you ask about me in the Red E. So,
yes,
yeah,
sir.
that's what it's all about. If you're interested in joining the Red E, where we have formal courses on trading, and there's mentorships and everything included, then there's a link in the description where you can join the Red E for $99 a month. You don't have to join the Red E to watch our streams. You can watch our streams for free, and we give a lot of the techniques that we use in the Red E.
Okay, next question, bro. How risky is futures trading? How much do I need to know to get started? Well, risky. It is risky, like any market, like any trading market. That's why you have to use proper risk management. So you have to know what is your risk per trade, and if you have more winners than losers, you should be good overall. How much do I need to know? So if you really don't know anything or you know just a little bit, I think you should commit at least 2 to 3 weeks just learning theory, just learning without even thinking about trading, and you might start then. But you have to understand that first year will probably be pain in the butt. The year after that, probably also because you will understand things. And um, well, it doesn't necessarily have to be the second year, doesn't have to be like problematic, but it's been a journey. I'm trading now a little bit over 2 years since I started learning, and if I have to tell myself, if I'm starting all over again and um, knowing what I know right now, I would tell myself, okay, take yourself a couple of months and just learn. Just paper trade. Paper trading is trading where you don't put any real money on the risk. You're just learning, and then you can start putting real money into the game. And also today with prop firms accounts with for futures, you can risk as less like as $20, $50 per account. So yeah. Do you have a Discord? We don't have our Discord, but as just Donovan has just said, we are part of the Reddit community. You can check the link in the description, and you can find us there. You have to pay a monthly fee though, monthly subscription. So, but even if you join in that 1 month, I think you can get a vision and you can learn a bunch because we are live every day. There is a lot of good traders that can ask any of your questions regarding stock trading, options trading, futures trading, risk management strategies, all of that. So yeah.
Yeah, one of my favorite things about the Ready is as soon as you join, I would highly recommend you go into the books area. We have like over 30 books that you can read that'll teach you everything you need to know about trading.
Wait, is my screen on? Yeah, my screen is on. Let me show you quickly the Discord here.
Hmm.
So as you can see, we have bunch of channels here, and what you can see all the prints, the signals channels from all the great traders. We have Rob, we have Jackie, we have Coach Breeze in here too, Angel, we have Transformer, Mayhem, Marquis,
Order
a lot
filled.
of great traders really. And then you can see here library content. We have free books uh, for beginners and for experienced people. Very nice material to read, in my opinion. I even bought physical copies from two books from here, and they helped. Then we have our stock market chat where we discuss all the trades during the hours. After hours, we just chit chat. But yeah, then we have a crypto chat where we discuss Bitcoin, XRP, and others. And we have penny stock channel where guys trade. Tex is very good with penny stocks, like small cheap stocks. Um, and yeah, and then we have futures channels. Um, so yeah, a lot of nice setups, but most important is that you get to learn really whatever you're interested in.
All right, we're gonna come down and touch this 15-minute 90 MA anytime soon. We're almost there.
We are consolidating big time here.
Yeah, yeah. I'm still in my long
Thanks. You're very welcome, bro.
on the challenge account. Yeah, we're glad to answer questions and really hope that helps. Really hope that helps because when I was a new trader, I really wish someone told me
Yeah,
to read these books that I read. And oh my gosh, I feel like so many things clicked for me once I read the Candlestick Bible. One of the best traders in the Red E. Me and him are like we're always talking about that book. Really good book. I think it's something about volume profile.
oh yeah, volume profiles. Yeah,
A trader's guide to volume profile. And like before there were charts and Wall Street and all that, people would trade with volume. And I just feel like it's a huge edge to understand what goes into that. And yeah,
yeah. That's why I stick with volume profile, because if um, again, markets are moved by buyers and sellers, right? And markets are stopped by limit orders. So they are again buyers and sellers. And if you understand volume with the price action, or volume that follows the price action, you can get more certain trades in. Because if the move is backed up with the volume, then there is more probability that the move will happen.
absolutely. Bro,
Good
I
morning.
know it's coming. Oh, Los in the building.
Oh, buenos dias, Carlos.
What's going on? How you guys doing, man?
So far, so good, man.
Good. That's good to hear, man.
How about you? How was your weekend?
Ah, man. My weekend was just there. I mean, I'm back over here, and my hours are cut. Like we are working less hours now. So like Friday, I was out by like 2.
Oh,
So I had fucking Friday since like 2 all that afternoon. Saturday with nothing to do. Sunday with nothing to do. So yeah, sucks.
there is always something to do. Come on.
No, I mean, I don't, man.
Yeah, I know you're not at home. You would rather be at home, right?
No, I'm like without my wife and my kids is like I'm not, I don't enjoy really much things, man.
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
wish I could just go out and just go to a little club or something, but nah, I can't do that. I used to be like that, man, but
Same.
nah.
Same.
You know the
No.
vibes. Just when you like, I know a lot of people that settle down and became parents early, and it's a different life than the people who have kids later in life. But the cool thing is, once your kids are grown, you'll be able
You
to
can
do whatever you
together.
want.
Yeah. And
You
not
know?
only that, you can go out clubbing with your kids, bro.
Yeah, that's true.
Sure. Yeah, yeah.
You doing any trading today?
Uh, I I don't I don't have an account right now, but I decided that I'm gonna do paper trading, man, probably for like a week, maybe 2 weeks.
Hmm.
On futures, and I set my thing like at 50 grams, just like if I had like a eval or whatever.
Uh-huh.
Hmm.
And yeah, I'm gonna do this probably I'll see, for a week or two. And I do have an order placed at 29,642 for an entry for longs. That's what I have. But I just looked at it and it looks like it's been consolidated ever since I got came in the shower.
29,642. So that's like a stop limit order.
29,642, yeah, stop limit order for longs.
Makes sense. Makes sense. It's a breakout trade. It's Rob style.
Yeah,
Can
man.
we, bro, can we just switch to your screen for a moment?
For me, yeah, I got you.
I should do a few things. And I'm not in a trade anyway, so
You're not trading?
Yeah.
right now, no. I took a couple of trades. I made 130, $128 on the funded account, so that's okay. And right now,
Oh,
I'm
nice.
just chilling. I'm chilling.
Nice, 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 nice. Funded account. Oh, bro.
Morning,
Nice stuff.
brother. You wanna say good morning to the world? Good morning. Good morning. Morning. Welcome to the Balkans. Good morning. Oh,
if I can get if I can get an entry at this 9 EMA, I'm gonna put something on it. I'm gonna put something on it. The first touch of the 15 is my most successful setup in my entire playbook. So, the win rate, it's better than 60%. Um, most of the time, not all the time, I get 75 points off of this trade. If I get 75 points off of this trade, I will pass this account. Come on. It's really not trying to let me trade. Goodness gracious. Here we go. All right. Just don't like how it's kind of laggy, but all right. We'll deal with it. So I have a long bias, but just because we're in consolidation, I really want to hop in shorts on my scalp account. Scalp account's not doing so hot right now.
Hey, Donovan.
Los.
Hey, I almost thought I had you in chest till you gave me that last move.
Yeah, you were holding your own. You had like four pieces, but I still had my queen. So
Yeah, no,
you
I was like,
know,
no, this comes to mess it all up.
yeah, right. I finally got you. Finally got
Yeah.
you, bro. Yeah, it's been
Oh wait,
good.
you beat me? No way, bro. I just noticed you beat me.
Yeah, bro. You moved right
Bruh.
into
Wow.
it moved right into my trap.
Wow, bro. That was a nice one, man. Good game.
Yeah, run it back whenever you're ready, bro. You run it back. I think we're 1 for 1 on the recent games, so we got to break the
Man.
tie.
Right away, man. Right away.
Yeah, waiting for this guy. I keep playing these two guys that keep beating me, man. They've been beating me over and over and over again.
That's I was just gonna say that there's a lot of good players out here, man. Be playing a lot
Yeah,
of people, man. That's a lot.
Yeah,
Been
but
losing to a
bro,
lot
these
of.
three days games, they get me like I'm on a good
No,
way, and then
that's
bro, and then but no, bro, no way. Like with Donovan and both you, like I start off good, and then I just keep blundering, and then I do a move, and then I keep forgetting what was my idea. I go back like 15 moves, and then I was like, what the heck did I want to do here? Like, wait a minute. Okay, I wanted to put my knight here, so he takes with my bishop. But wait a minute, what was my idea after that? So I just, you know what? Never mind, never mind. So
that tends to happen, man.
yeah,
Thanks to
have
happen.
you maybe managed to answer that Google form
I
that I
did.
sent you? You did,
Yeah,
yeah. I thought
I
so.
did since Saturday, I think, or
Based on
Saturday
these
morning.
questions, I figured you did it. I'm just checking. Yeah, okay.
I figured you know who. It was me right away.
Um, yeah,
oh, it's so bullish that it didn't even touch the 9 EMA. It's like the 9 EMA caught up to it mid candle, so it might have dodged me.
but on 15 you're talking, or
Yeah, it
yeah.
might have
But look
dodged.
at the 10. Look at the 10. Perfect from 14.
Uh,
Talking, you guys are talking about NQ or?
Yeah.
yup, yup. Thank you.
But
She's
it's
the talk
super
of the
choppy,
town.
so like whatever.
I have the 200 EMA here where we're chopping around. I just saw that 200 EMA right here where we're chopping around on the 15-minute, chopping up and down on the 200 EMA. And well, looks like it's a bull flag, right?
Yeah,
It looks like something.
Looks like something, yeah.
Looks like something.
for me, I think it's a pretty clean bull flag. Yeah, but then again, is it? Yeah, it is. It's a bull flag after an uptrend, so it's a continuation. It's a continuation pattern. However you want to call it, whatever you want to call it, it's a continuation pattern. I do like the 10 minute. I would say I don't know if this thing's coming back down, but did we sweep liquidity? So anytime I'm looking for a breakout of a bull flag, you have to ask yourself, you know, where's the liquidity at? And I mean, we kind of did because there were people who went long at the 5 minute 9 EMA who were underwater. So they probably stopped out. All right. There's people who went long at the 10 minute 9 who might have been stopped out. It was so close to the 14. I don't know. Um, I feel like we need more liquidity before we break out, but I could be wrong. I see this level here that I expect to be touched before we go anywhere, and that's 29,582. So we'll see. It might have everything it needs to push here, but I think we got honestly, I'm tempted to short the top if it can get back up there.
Oh, I have a question for both of you guys. After Friday's sell-off, what do you guys think is gonna happen from here? I mean, which we already had one day in.
Yeah.
Um,
This is
but
just yeah. I don't know,
what do you
but
guys think?
I think this is just the beginning of a massive manipulation that will happen this week because of the SpaceX IPO, and to be honest, I think I will wait next this week, maybe next week to play any options like longer term because I think we might see quite some crazy moves in a couple of days.
Mm-hmm.
Uh,
Okay.
but generally speaking, I think we are going. Look, look, it's difficult because people were speaking about the massive pullback, like 10-15% pullback. From 620s, now we are at all-time highs. now we are having some kind of a pullback, but this thing might continue going higher for next couple of months. So, and I guess Bitcoin should bottom out in October.
That's what it looks like, huh?
Yeah. So I think summer is coming in, so we might see now some crazy price action, but slight pullback. And then in October, it would be interesting to see. It would be funny to see that all both market, like stock market and crypto market, starts going for another run.
Which would
So
put
they
us,
so they
which would
start
get us to the
moving
800s.
together again, right?
Yeah.
But I'm not sure. His brother number two. Good morning.
Yeah, for me, I feel like it's just a pullback in a strong uptrend.
Order
You know,
rejected.
we're in a very strong uptrend. Pretty confident. It's just a pullback, but the question isn't, that to piggyback off of what Nick is saying. I also think that the SpaceX IPO has a lot to do with it. My perspective is that they want people to have a lot of cash when SpaceX IPOs. So why the pullback now? Well, now people are getting stopped out of their positions, sitting in cash, trying to find any reason to get back into the market. So if we get a nice little push on the SpaceX IPO, a lot of people could FOMO into that with their free cash, and then they can pull the rug for real. But I don't think the rug's getting pulled on the general market. I was talking about the SpaceX IPO with a friend of mine, and Elon's an interesting character because he had a lot of people. I don't know if y'all remember, but Twitter had a $44 billion, investment. Elon bought Twitter for $44 billion, right? So he had to go into investors' pockets to get that money. He didn't use his money. He never uses his money. So when he did that, the investors were almost immediately underwater. The Twitter IPO, I mean, I don't think Twitter even IPO. Twitter's still private, right? But the thing is, the value of Twitter went way down, like immediately after the investment. I think the investors are underwater. I think 50% of their original investment to this day, if not more, with it being X. Now, those investors are getting exposure to SpaceX. Now, don't quote me on this, but I believe Grok AI has merged with SpaceX. If I'm not mistaken, there's some sort of merger going on that's going to give these Twitter investors some stake in SpaceX. And those are going to be the first people to sell if there's any price spike. So that's something that a lot of people aren't talking about. So yeah, like Nick was saying, SpaceX has something to do with the manipulation. I think they're gonna stop people out of their positions that they were in, riding these super longs. People are gonna be looking for a reentry. SpaceX is gonna look like the shining star to get into, and it'll be the talk of the town on Bloomberg and all that good stuff. And then people will FOMO into it, and then something's gonna happen. Can't tell you what, but something's gonna happen.
Mm-hmm. All right, right. Thank you for that feedback. Love to hear it, man. That's
For me, I'm just buying leaps. Anytime this stuff pulls back, I'm picking my favorite stocks. I'm buying leaps. I'm looking at GLW. I'm looking at Eli Lilly. I'm looking at definitely looking at Poet. I'm a big Poet fan. Um, and Fluence Energy. I'm a huge fan of Fluence Energy. So wow, you see NQ pushing? It said forget
damn.
my little entry. That
I'm
was
not,
the 9 EMA touch right there. That was it.
I'm not even looking at the chart right now, but
It was a
uh,
monster. Now I am
let's see.
green as it gets. I
Oh,
was
it was
thinking,
one hair away from feeling me.
yeah, I got my limit order got ignored too. It just pushed.
The reason why I
Mm,
put it a little bit, I put it at 542 because then you know how sometimes it'll want to wick, it would want to do the breakout, but then it would just push right back. So I just feel you and then just fucking pretty much get you.
Yeah, I think it's still doing that. Like this, I want to
Yeah.
short the top here. This was an aggressive move up. I really want to short it. So
Order
I
filled.
am going short right here. I still think we need to sweep this liquidity, and this is a false breakout.
You think so?
Yeah,
I like the bottom here.
it's a good bottom, but it's just even a good trade typically like this would come back to break even if it moved that fast. It went too fast.
Mm, yeah, that's for sure. Yeah. Okay, I get you.
But you got in, Carlos.
Nope. It's. I'm telling you, my entry's at 542, so it didn't get me in.
542. Why did I hear 624? What the heck?
Oh, I'm sorry. We're in the 600, 642. I guess. Sorry about that.
642. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, not 620. Okay, okay, my bad.
Yeah, and it came to touch
Yeah, yeah,
638
yeah,
only.
yeah. Okay, okay. I misheard you
Mm-hmm.
earlier. Yeah, yeah. Okay.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I
So
thought we were in the 500. I mean, yeah, in the 500s.
no, no, you good, you good.
So I'm short 628.25, and I'm up right now. I'm expecting. So I really want this to go back to 580, 589, 586. I've been talking about that for a minute, so I really just want 30 points on this, and I caught the top. So it's very low risk reward.
Mm-hmm.
If it goes to Carlos's entry, I'm out of here. And I'm only gonna be down like 20 bucks because I'm in with one contract. Like I told Nick, if it's consolidation, I'm sizing down.
Okay. If it does fill me in, I'm looking for 700, 29, 700. And that's it.
Yeah, I think that
Only 115 points. That's it. Okay.
That's it. That's all.
honestly
But
that's
you
pretty
might get it.
conservative.
You might get it. You might get it very easily. You
Yeah,
might get
my target before or by the end of New York Open at the latest, my target is 30,200.
it. Okay. Yeah.
Let's do it, man. I have Google calls, so I need the market to rally.
Yeah, I got Google calls too. I'm pretty biased. Pretty biased there. But I got leaps on some stuff too. So it's like I'm not really worried. This stuff could go sideways until September because you know the old saying, sell in May and go away, right?
Hmm. This
Oh,
was
I've heard it. Yeah.
perfect example of it, I think.
Well, Trumponomics is it's a little different. In the Trump market, he's turning things upside down.
Yeah, that is also true.
Two things can be true at once.
It would
You
be
guys,
easy if it's only two. But now
um,
I want to go long here too. Well, let's see.
I'm mad at today, bro, because I looked at Marvel and it was around, I forget what it's at right now. I think, what is it, like on the 200 to 300s? I forgot.
I
But
think it's a
whatever
little under
hundred it was,
three. Yeah.
it was on the 283 or 383, whatever it is.
Mm-hmm.
Um, and I looked at the hourly, man. I looked at everything. Look, like it wanted the 300 or
Mm-hmm.
yeah. And but I didn't play because I feel like it was too expensive because I had to pay whatever 1,000 something. Well, I mean 10, I don't know, 10, 20, 10, 30 for a contract. So I didn't play
Mm-hmm.
it because not because I won't play it. I mean, if I was at home, but then since I'm at work, that's something more riskier that can
Mm-hmm.
can go bad pretty quickly. And I didn't
Mm-hmm.
play, and then pretty soon I hear I forgot if it was Mark just mentioned that Marvel coming for the 300s. I'm like, man, that would have been my day right there, easy.
Hmm.
So, and this is the third time that happens to me that I don't play Marvel because of that reason. Because pretty much I'm scared.
Yeah, but I haven't played MU for the same reason, because it was just too expensive for
Oh
for
yeah,
me.
MU for sure.
So I was like, you know what? It can go to 3,000. It's not. It's just not my place. So whatever, right? I'm long
Yeah.
and Q here.
I signaled the iron on Friday, which is doing pretty well.
Yeah, Iran was a good call.
It's Iran, not Iran. Iran.
Uh,
Oh, my longer is getting stopped immediately. What the heck? Okay.
Mine still hasn't filled.
Yeah, probably. Some Judavich.
And Carlos's entry is my stop on this short, and I am up a little over 10 points.
You are cooking.
nice.
You are cooking.
Let me be great. Okay. All right. They're taking the profits out of my mouth. I'm not appreciative. But, I'm thinking the funny business is about to begin. London opens in an hour or so.
Yeah, over 20.
False breakout city is about to come upon us.
Yeah, we might see a move within the next half an hour and then we slow down and then London will manipulate its own thing again.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I have to leave you guys for 8 minutes, 10 minutes only. I have to drop my
Mm-hmm.
brothers to school and I'll be right back. I'm in long, so I would like to see just to push
Mm-hmm.
up immediately. Um, but I might also I'm up $70 here. Forget about it. It's 30 now, so I'll just leave it, I guess, open and um.
Cool. Got any limit orders? I can switch to your screen sometimes.
No, I have just to stop and take profit, but let's see if we don't push from here right now. I think I'm gonna get stopped. So let's see. Let's see. Um, I was a little bit impatient, it seems. And my stop loss is super tight. I don't want to risk anything here. So, mm,
I'm on the 2 minute. We're holding the ADMA and the 2 minute. Pretty good. Psych, we're losing right now. Never mind. Crazy.
come on, breakout. 10
The 2 minute
seconds.
one's more upside right here, bro.
Say what?
The 2 minute one's more upside here.
Yeah, everything wants more upside, it seems, but it's very slow, very consolidating, so it's annoying.
Yeah.
Um, I
After that
guess
last, if you go to the
here we
2 minute
go.
block, that last engulfing, and then we have all the last 5, 6 candles inside bar.
Mm,
Yeah, I definitely want to see.
okay, this is here.
How is
Donovan,
this
can you
15?
last 2 minute candle on? Yeah, the last 2 minute candle before this current one, and then tell me uh what candlestick is that is or necklace if you know it.
Sorry, I did not follow, but I'm up. I'm up $200. I will close this.
He's like, sorry, I don't care, but I'm up.
Yeah, I see it was 200. I closed it at 166, realized because I now it's gonna go to my original TP. But okay, I have to jump out. I'll be back with you in like 10 minutes.
All right.
Okay.
So 2 minute candle, I'm going to it. You said the last. Oh, okay, yeah, we got a morning star on the 2 minute.
No. I wasn't. I mean, actually looking at is that a morning star with those long wigs?
Yeah, it's still got the structure of a morning star.
Yeah, it does. I just didn't know with the wicks it counts like that. Three long wicks following all those three candles.
It's an ugly one, but I still call it one.
Okay. I was just wondering that that the you see the current one that we're on, so two candles with that long wick, the two candles prior to this one.
Mm-hmm.
Do you,
Yeah,
do
yeah,
you,
that's a pin bar, right? Yeah, I think that's a pin bar. That's
I'm
what I
not
would
trying to be.
call.
Oh, there we are. We're pushing. Are you short?
Not yet.
Oh, you
Not.
said with your stop loss as my entry. All right, gotcha.
Yep. Yep.
Okay,
Only it's a one contract short, so it's like
okay.
Stop
there we
filled.
go.
There we go. I'm in. Just got filled, man.
Stop the brother route. Okay, okay. I still don't believe it, but you know what? This could definitely be the breakout. I don't really mind because I'm in longs on this challenge account, so that's
I
cool.
almost want, I almost want to get into that challenge account that or that challenge thing that you're doing, if it's still possible.
Yeah, it's free. You can hop in, just go to cmegroup.com, futures challenge, and you get a free sim account, and you just trade. It's a great way to practice, and it's incentivized. If you do really well, say you do your best trading ever, and you get a prize.
Okay. CME, you say?
cmegroup.com. It should be on my screen on the Zoom.
Okay.
This is pushing. Your prices, is it pushing? I'm not impressed. I'm really not
Wow, what happened? I think it's pushing
impressed.
down.
Yeah, it's back to my entry after it stopped me out.
Wow.
Very cute. Very cute and cute.
This is exactly what they do. Look, they stop people out, they fill people in and get them. Just like they
Mhm.
stopped you out, filled me in.
Yeah, they filled you, and now they're trying to stop you, but they can't stop you. Can't stop, won't stop. Where's your stop loss?
My stop loss is at 29,592.
Yeah, you said it too loud. Careful. It's like
You just wick it right back down there and shit. You know?
they'll wick me in. I got a limit order at, well, not quite there. My limit order is at like 85, 585. So I'd still love for it to come there, but whatever's clever. If it goes up, then great. My challenge account's gonna cook. If it goes down, then great. I'll get wicked in before the move. But either way, I feel like it's going up. It just looks like something I want to go to sleep on because I feel like I'm just gonna wake up and this thing's gonna be like at 29,900.
That'd be beautiful, man.
Yup.
Mm.
So MQ hasn't really been that good to me. But the Dow looks good.
What is that ticker? Why something?
MYMM.
M Y
Yeah,
M
the
Y what?
Dow moves MYM and then M and this is the micro Dow. All right. So I'm pretty big on trading the Dow because it moves very predictably. Um, my only problem with the Dow is for my trading style, I need 150 points in order to hit my average profit target on a 150K account, which is the accounts I like to trade. Um, yeah, I would have had to sit in this thing for quite some time.
Mm-hmm.
I'd have had to catch this entire move, which is possible. I've done it before. I could definitely do it again. But I've caught my profit target on the Dow, but it's my favorite thing to trade conservatively. I should probably use it to scalp.
So do we have a double bottom here on the Dow?
on the
I put MYM, the one you're saying, and I'm seeing a double bottom on a 30 minute and a 1 hour
you
and
look at time
on a
frame.
50. You see it anywhere.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I guess so. I would definitely say so. Um, and then there's still the inverse head and shoulders on all the indices right now that I'm seeing. So the downtrend that we were in, we formed a base, and now we're headed back up. It's just like clear as day to me. I see, but that's why I'm wondering. We came straight down in this area that we're about to push into. If you look left, it's just like rapid fire. Like we're just gonna push straight through this area. Like from here all the way to geez, I want to leave a long overnight.
Okay, we are back.
Yeah, like the Dow has a 500-point move coming, if you ask me. Like over the next trading day, like 24 hours, we're gonna move like 500 points on the Dow. Mark my words.
Okay. I
Over the
should
what?
have left this trade open, huh? It seems.
Yeah, bro, look, this thing's going to the moon.
Okay.
Let's go.
It's going to the moon. I'm so glad that I'm in long options right now. I just wish I had more contracts on this challenge account.
It looks like based off my 15 minute on the Dow on YM.
Yeah.
The 15 minute, I have this area here at 53.90. I mean, oh man, I'm sorry, I'm blind, right? So give me a second. I'm sorry, it's 59.80. 59.80, and then right above at 15, like 5100, which is not too far. I have the 800 and the 200 EMA, so that's gonna be an area that can be a little bit of a struggle to pass if we don't reject. When the
Hmm.
800 and the 200 EMAs are like that together, that's a strong area. At least that's how it's always played out for me.
Does it look bullish?
Um,
Oh wow, that was a nice pullback. All right.
This is manipulation
Order
at
filled.
its finest.
Yeah, I just went long on the Dow. That was a perfect entry for me. Love it. Love it, love it, love it.
well, does it look bullish?
What are we looking at here? Yeah, I'm still doing good on the challenge account. Challenge account, we are up $500 for the challenge, which is really nothing. First, let's look at first place again. Did you see first place on here, Carlos? This thing's crazy. Check this
I
out.
checked it out.
Yeah, I'm gonna show it right here. The leaderboard. All right, the leaderboard. First place has $47,000. They started with 25,000. Guess when they started?
Don't tell me they started last week.
Yesterday.
Wow.
Yeah. Somehow they made $22,000 in a little over 24 hours.
So what?
And
Does they have rules there? Like, do you have a certain amount of that you can, or you can just that you can
it-
lose
you
when
can
you
only
trade?
lose 1,000. You can only lose 1,000, period, or else. It's a end of day trailing drawdown. And you can only trade one mini or one or 10 micros.
Yeah, but that's crazy that they're up so much with those rules, bro.
That's
You
I
can
was
see
gonna
what
say.
they traded. So they traded silver and NQ.
Okay.
Mm.
All the leaders have traded silver and NQ in the top three.
But still.
Yeah, absolutely. Still crazy work. Oh wow, price must have really pushed because my total P&L is showing 600. Oh, duh, it's including yesterday. Right.
You guys hop on yesterday?
Did we what?
Did you guys hop on here yesterday?
No,
No.
I had a long weekend. I was tired. I was tired, boss.
But you know what? I did not even trade yesterday, so we did not miss anything, and I'm happy that I did not trade because Mondays I don't like Mondays usually anyway. So, and I tried to hop in on the stream, but my laptop said, nope, you're not doing that. So
Just messing around with you or what?
yeah, it's just I cannot run anything on it anymore. It's just I
That's
can have a chart and Discord on, but if I try to stream, it's just not working. So.
Isso aqui, com a FBI,
Mm,
bloqueia, né?
Toto.
Deixa eu ver. Tá, bicho, né?
You're still on DAO or what?
Still long down. Down about 6 points. Nothing crazy. It's really just stand still. Let me not jinx it because now it's 10 points. Ooh, my stop loss is at 25 points. So I'm pretty heavy on this trade. I'm like 5 micros. So wait
Okay,
a
okay,
minute.
okay,
Wait a minute.
okay.
I'm actually 10 micros. Shit.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. I don't know when that happened, but I thought I was going five.
we're on to the 21 EMA here.
Um, what in the world? Hold on. Let me see if I'm in the trade on any other. Come on. Jeez, this lag is killing me. Okay, not in the trade on this account.
No, this is. I just gave my gains back. What is this now? What is this now? 3 minutes 14 SMA. Okay, can we bounce from here?
Very good. Okay, good.
Looks like we're gonna get 613 again.
I'm still praying for 585.
Oh, you still have that entry there.
Oh, and
Yep.
those are the 20s here, so we
Order
might
filled.
really bounce.
Jeez. All right, cool. I'm stopped out on the down.
Okay.
Crazy, crazy.
Good thing that we called out some manipulation before the London.
Yeah, see, my short would have cooked, but they stopped me out.
Mm-hmm.
All right, let's go back to NQ. Oh, wait, NQ, right. Duh.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know. I might be in a trade. No, I'm not in a trade. It would have showed open P&L. Okay. Okay. All right. Okay, this is one place where
Okay.
people would go long. There's a consolidation to the left, so there's probably a group of buyers that are going to push up here. I don't know if they're strong enough, but there should be a group of buyers pushing up here. I'm gonna go in with one contract, nothing crazy, on NQ
Order filled.
with my 5-to-1 setup. So looking for 75 points.
And those are the 20s, so yeah, I guess.
Yeah, is that what's it's the 20s holding up now, isn't it? Yeah, you're right.
And I'm aiming for 49.
Mm-hmm.
But I'm getting stopped, it seems. No? Okay.
Yeah, this support right here should hold. I'm long.
Let's go. Yeah, me too. Let's hold it then.
And my stop is at 608, so it's gonna have to stop me out.
Oh, okay.
If
Oh
it gets me
man.
out at 608, then I'm long one more time at 585, and that's my last trade of the night. But otherwise, I really want to let this ride. I think I can wake up to some profit if I just leave this alone.
Okay, nice. Let's go. Straight up. Let's go. Let's go.
It could happen fast.
Yeah, it's going. Just need to take the highs here. Let's go. Yes. Yes. Let's go.
Let's go.
Oh, Nick, you went heavy, didn't you, bro? I know that sound.
No, 15 just 15 count. I mean, my max amount is 20, so yeah, I went heavy. You can say that. But right now, shall I take profits or I'm waiting for the highs? I guess I'm waiting for the highs. Let's go. Let's go. Halfway there. I can take profits here and be at where I left, or I can wait for the full TP and be done for the day. We're just 17, 15 points away from my full TP, so much, very, very possible.
What will you do?
That's a $1 million question. Or maybe I just trail my stop loss. That could also be okay. Let's go. Push. I'm gonna put my stop loss here in profits. So if I get stopped, I'm at 0. That's also good, not in minus.
I like that idea. I think I'm gonna follow you on that.
And
Now this
because
looks like a nice morning start here on the 2 minute.
yeah, it's pushing. Let's go. Three, let's go.
Very
Yes, yes, yes. No, okay. Freaking 5 seconds driving me crazy, bro. Let's go. This should push. This should push. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Yes. No. Okay.
Hell no, we don't know. Oh man, what's it gonna do? It's gonna push, man. I'm not scared.
No.
Well,
No.
because I have one micro.
Well, I have. Oh, one micro. Okay. Okay.
Yeah, I've been long one micro because I got these 25Ks. So I'm just, until we break
Okay.
out of this
I'm
consolidation.
stopped out. I'm stopped out. I'm not at 0, but I made some losses back. Now I can go again because this is just 6. Okay, stop loss here. Let's go 630, 130. That will be good. Now just continue higher. This was a nice flush. Oh no, don't stop me here. I would hate that now.
It's crazy. I only have $400 profit right now. Okay. Oh, goodness gracious. Excuse me. Sorry for yawning.
You're good. You're good. Okay, that's nice. Let's push to the highs. To the highs. Let's go. Let's go. Let's use this volatility right now. Come on. 240. I should probably put my stop loss, break even at least, so I don't risk anything.
Can I use preview for with
They
this
have trading
challenge
view.
account?
They have trading view built in.
Yeah. Okay.
So when you go to the challenge screen, it's pretty much trading view right there. You can add like indicators and stuff.
Okay, let's go.
Black gold trading.
Come on. Few more points. Few more points. Oh my god, but this movement is crazy.
And the breakout's gonna be crazier when it happens.
Yeah, I don't need a breakout because I'm limited how much profits I have to make because of the 50% consistency rule. I don't want to go crazy, right?
Oh,
So um I'm just trying to make this 500, 450, 500, and that's it. But look how it's moving up and down, you know, it's
it's making us wait.
yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. Um, if I take my profits now, I won't even have enough profits like to close the day green, right? Because I have to make at least 250. So
I'm gonna take some soon. I just want a few more points. Come on. Oh my gosh. Here we go. Here we go. Uh, uh, can I get $50, please? Thank you.
Order
All
filled.
right. That's all I wanted. It's $50. No. Who knows? This thing's gonna rip. This thing could really rip right.
yeah, it looks like it wants to rip.
Okay, so 10 here. Let's give me 50. And then you refresh. Give me 50. Mm.
Yeah. Oh, no way. Again, it came. Nah. Freaking 5 second chart. Like, look, it's 1 point away from my stop, my take profit. One freaking point. Take it. One tick away. I'm out.
That's
I'm
cool.
out, bro. One tick. I'm not playing this for one tick. One tick, bro. One tick. No joke. One freaking tick. And it still wouldn't take it. Oh my god, I took it. Let's see. Well, I made 450. Okay, that's good. I have no idea what is my last day pin. I think it was 420 or 450. Let me go check that. Uh, Let me go check that. Here we go. I have to log in again. Um, Authenticator. One tick, bro. One tick.
Still didn't get there. It's crazy.
Yeah. No. Oh my God. I'm so happy I took profits. I'm so happy that I took profits right now.
Yeah, it was a good end. It was a good exit.
Mm, see
Mhm.
trading details. 1 day close channel 5-6. Right? Oh, it was 481, 480. Now, right now I'm at 450 here on this one. Is it 454? Well, it would be nice to make 30 more bucks, but shall I risk it for the biscuit or not really?
Mm. Biscuit for the biscuit or nah? Oh, nice. Make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content. Appreciate that, bro.
Yes, sir.
That out there. It looks like I am the only one watching right now. Oh, wait.
I'm also watching, so we are watching. We are watching.
Yeah, yeah, there we go. I should have had it on you because you were out here with all the action. People watching my boring screen. All I got going on is this one
Mhm.
micro contract. This now I have one micro that's up 246 though. It's pretty sweet.
Bro, that's the trade. That's the trade. 418. See, I
This
risk it for the biscuit and I lost some. Let's try again.
this is playing out exactly how I told y'all it would. As soon as we started the stream, I said, "Boom, we're gonna redo
Yeah,
this inverse head and shoulders
true.
just like this." And this is exactly what's happening. So
Go.
I'm expecting us to break above 748 and then 29,923. Oh my goodness. So it would be crazy if I didn't take some profit by then, right? So I have to put some sort of sell order right about here. It's a
Uh,
400-point trade.
That's lovely.
Well,
hey,
it is a
Donald,
competition. Yep.
on this registration for the challenge, it asks like about you, and this is a job role, and apparently construction workers can't trade, I guess, because it's not listed on there.
Really? I didn't have it didn't ask me any of that. Did it ask me any of that? I don't remember if it asked me any of that. When you register. Nick, didn't you
Uh,
register? Did it
For
ask you
what?
what you do?
What
For
for?
the CME group challenge.
No, I did not. I did not know it's happening.
but,
Mhm.
Wait, construction workers cannot participate? Are you
it just
serious?
says about job role, and then it'll say like a lot of accounting, broker, consultant, executive,
Aha, aha,
financial.
aha. Okay, okay.
Except no construction, sales, student. Like, uh,
Are construction people also consultants? Because, people
Yeah.
have to ask you questions about construction. Yeah.
I guess I'm in the wrong thing then. Probably.
It should be somewhere with the challenge. Let me see if I could post the link to sign up for the challenge in the Discord. I thought, let me see. Dashboard, education, trade plan, markets. Okay, the challenge.
Bro,
Here we
how is
go. The
this
challenge.
moving, bro? This is crazy.
Yeah, it's moving pretty crazy, isn't it?
Oh, okay, I'm out. Oh, okay, nice, nice. Okay, I made 495. Let's go. I'm done for the day, guys. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
I'm
Nice.
done.
I'm approaching finished. I'm gonna drop this in the Red E Futures Trading channel so everybody in the Red E can join the competition. My mentors in another group actually joined the last competition, so I'm gonna drop that over there next. And I'm gonna get ready to call it a night, y'all, because I'm finna.
Mm-hmm. Hey, this is perfect. I'm done with the trading day at 8 a.m. Lovely.
Futures here. Here you go. All right, got people getting payouts in the red E. Okay. Oh, okay. I'm in 444th place as of now. Calling it a night. All right. It's a monster trade.
It is.
I'm up 130 points on this trade. I don't think I've
Right.
ever had a trade with that many points on NQ. So it's a record for me.
Let's
If I
go.
had 10 contracts, this would be 2,500. If I had my usual 30 contracts,
You
it'd be
would be printing.
7,500.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Oh wow. But this was perfect. I'm happy I can close the chart actually because I will just actually I won't because I don't want to trade anymore. So and that's it. We saw the huge move coming and I'm okay with just taking what I need. I don't need to be in the whole move.
Yeah, I'm cooking right now. My goodness.
Let's go.
All right.
Oh,
Place am I in now? 446th place. Okay. I'm down a little bit. But at this rate, I'm going to be very well off by the morning. Where's my sell limit order? Because I don't feel comfortable without having some limit orders in for stop loss and take profit. How crazy would it be if I wake up and this thing has hit my stop loss?
oh.
Yes, indeed. Okay, so my stop would have to be at least in well, first off, I have a buy limit to average into this if it comes down there. So my stop would have to be right about here in order for it to still be in profit. Yeah, let's do
Slowly, but
underneath that wick. Okay, look at what's up. Okay, so let me add one here. I'll place an order for a stop for. So the problem with these, right? If I put in a stop here and then price pushes to my
nice
if
push.
it comes and stops me out and then it goes and hits my limit order to sell, oh, that's complicated.
Oh, I just have a question. Why is trading like this? Like, I'm up 500 here, but then if it was my other account, I would not be able to do this. Like I show you
No,
that.
because you would go if it was your real account, you would probably go out like 3 times already.
Yeah, you're right. It's not probably. It's that's it. It's
So
not.
as I already told you, as long as you're doing that with your own, you're butchering your own setup, and at the end of the day, it doesn't pay out. And I was doing the same, and I still do sometimes. Uh,
And when I was down, because there was a point where I was down at most like 380, which I know I could be able to handle that. But so I mean, my trade would have still played out. It's not like
Look,
I was.
if you buy 50K account, your max drawdown is 2K, depending on the prop firm, you might have daily limit or not. But if you have a daily limit at 1,000, you shouldn't be risking more than 100, $150 on a trade. That can be 1 to 10 risk to reward. It can be 1 to 2 risk to reward. But don't trade don't risk more than 100 $150 if you have a daily loss. If you don't have it, you can put that 200 and you have 10 trades. I mean, with your setups and your knowledge, it's difficult to lose 10 trades in a row.
Look at this push, bro. Yeah. Um,
Yeah, lovely.
I'm gonna go for that TP 26 7. I mean 29 700.
Yeah, you're getting there soon.
630 here. So which this was my eval.
Okay, give yourself this week and then I
Yeah,
don't know. I told you we still have this month and I want to get you funded this month, bro.
yeah, I'm gonna do that, bro. I'm gonna take at least this whole
Okay.
week, just trading
Okay.
on, trading it, just chill, relaxed, with no pressure,
Mhm.
and then see how I do. And if I can do it here, I mean,
Yeah, I mean, I just realized last week I detached completely from the outcome, bro. And I've been focusing on the process and it's been doing great. It's been going great. I'm not FOMOing. I make the trade. I go out. I don't look at the charts the rest of the day. I'm good. Yesterday I haven't even traded. I went for a dive. I
that's
wasn't
good.
even trading. I wasn't even trading like New York session. I actually yesterday I wasn't trading at all. Went for a dive. I caught 5 fish for a lunch. Spent 3 hours diving. So,
That's awesome, man.
yeah,
Diving like
spear
so like
fishing.
oh, oh that's cool, man.
Yeah, I managed basically. I think I did my record breath hold in the sea, like 1 minute 51 seconds. That was good. When I was practicing in the pool, I did like 2 minutes 14, but it's different when you actually diving, right? So that was nice.
All right, so we're gonna do a quick outro here before we close out the stream. Just
Hmm.
want to thank everybody if you watched this long or if you're, rewatching this video after it was recorded. Really appreciate you supporting the channel, coming out. Make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe. If you have any questions that you want us to go over in the next session, post them in the comments,
Hmm.
or wherever's clever, and we'll try and get to everything that we can. We definitely read all the comments, so go crazy in there. Any questions you have as a new trader. Um, Also, just would like to tell people a little bit about the Red E. Just we do have a futures trading channel. You'll see me and Nick are pretty prevalent in there. Mark is always going to be in all the channels, man. He's really good at that. And you can follow him on Instagram. Jack is one of the best traders in our group. He's constantly getting payouts here in the futures channel, constantly giving us good plays in the stock market chat. So I'm just giving you guys a quick preview, what it looks like. We're joking around, we're having fun. We're talking about long-term investments, knowledge plays, things like that in the Red E. This is all 99 bucks a month, and you have some really good traders in here that have been trading longer than all three of us combined, and they have some good stuff to share with you. So
Yeah. If you're paying attention, you should get your $100 back like within the first few days.
yeah, the way I think of it, people pay, tens of $1,000s for college to learn a skill that you may never use. It really doesn't hurt to pay $99 to get several mentors, books, access to actual plays, live trading where you can trade with people who know exactly what they're doing. For $99 a month, it's absolutely worth it if you're looking for a community to educate you on trading. Check out the Red E by clicking the link in the description below. Um, and if you just want to watch us for free, then you're welcome to do that too. So that's my outro. Anything y'all want to add?
No, I'm good. I just want to say that you shouldn't chase the market. Just let the market comes to you and remember price of patience is always less than a price of regret.
That way.
That
All
way.
right. And until tomorrow, we will catch y'all. Thanks
Same
for coming.
time, same day, same time, same place.